Ah, ito na. PDA Past President Dr. Arlene Reyes, Armamu. PDA Executive Vice President Dr. Marius Esquilio. PDA BP Luzon South Dr. Delia Corazon Barba. PDA BP Luzon North Dr. Jen Yalung. PDA Trustee Dr. Ray Agcanas. Our very own PDA Trustee Dr. Alan Banta. PDA Region 4 Regional Coordinator Dr. Dave Antioquia. Mr. Paul Edward Mascareñas, Unilab Product Manager. Our ever supportive and generous traders and sponsors. My dear colleagues, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Today marks the end of my term as the President of PDA Rizal Chapter, Administrative Year 2022-2023. I remember last year when Doc Joby handed me the medallion that I'm wearing right now. Naisip ko kung gaano pala kabigat ang medallion na ito, ganun din ang bigat ng responsibilidad that I will face. I have to accept the heavy load that comes with my presidency for a year. Aaminin ko sa inyo ngayon na madami po akong naging sleepless nights after last year induction. That time, wala na worries ko kung kaya ko ba ang bigat ng responsibilities. Ang iniisip ko na ay excited na akong gawin lahat ng mga projects na naka-line up na dapat tapusin for the whole year. My worries turned into excitement. My hesitance turned into eagerness. And my anxiety turned into confidence. Why? Because the very first time na nag-gather ko kayo, mga officers ko, to make a video of our national anthem and invocation, which is almost 100% ang attendance, and all of you participated patiently amidst the heat of the sun. I know I can make it, and I will make a difference in my term. I will not enumerate our accomplishments because I believe the video shows how many accomplishments we have done. Every time I watch the video, it always makes me cry, teary-eyed. I know we did it, and we did it beyond what I am expecting. And I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you, especially my dear officers in the Rizal Dental Chapter. Thank you so much for your unwavering support and dedication to our chapter during my whole term. I have been blessed to work with such an amazing group of people who in turn have not only challenged me, but also inspire trust and friendship among us. Together, we have faced challenges and achieved significant accomplishments that will forever stand as a testament to our teamwork and commitment to service. I will always treasure the memories that we have shared, and I hope that our friendship will continue even after my term ends. The outstanding chapter award and recognition that we have received during this administrative year is a reflection of our collective efforts. And I am proud to have served as your president. My heart overflows with gratitude and appreciation for all your hard work, passion, and commitment to serve our chapter and the dental community as a whole. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Congratulations to all of us for a successful term. This is not just my achievement, but all of ours. I am Dr. Catalina Hesilva Custodio, your President, Administrative Year 2022-2023, now signing off with a grateful heart. Thank you.